Let's see how to transfer domain from Bigrock to Hostinger. Log into your Hostinger H panel. Now from the left menu, click on Domains. So at first we are going to add our Bigrock domain here. So click on Add New Domain from the top. Select Transfer an existing domain. Add your Bigrock domain here. And then click on Transfer. And here it's showing that requirements not met, domain is locked at the current registrar. We just need two steps. The first one is domain is unlocked and second one is we have the authorization code. And when we have these two things, we can easily transfer our domain to Hostinger. Now to unlock our domain, we will log into our Bigrock account, select the domain that we want to unlock, and in this way we will be redirected to domain settings page. From this page, just turn off theft protection, and also on the other side you will see the transfer code. Just click on view edit transfer code. Once the domain is unlocked, just go back to Hostinger, and here you will see the purchase button. Just click on purchase, enter the authorization code that you have received from Bigrock, choose your payment method, complete the purchase, and in this way your Bigrock domain will be transferred to Hostinger. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.